Welcome to the Supreme 500 My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus testosterone booster brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Supreme 500? Blah blah blah. What is Supreme 500? What are advantages of Supreme 500? What are disadvantages of Supreme 500? Could Supreme 500 amp your sex life? How Supreme 500 works. Supreme 500 have any special discount? How to use Supreme 500. Does Supreme 500 have any free trial? What are Supreme 500 ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? Supreme 500 have any side effects? Supreme 500 real customer results? Can it change my life? Is Supreme 500 available in stores? Who is buzzing about the Supreme 500? Where to buy Supreme 500? How much cost of Supreme 500? When to expect results with Supreme 500? Why Supreme 500? Who must use Supreme 500? Does Supreme 500 is scam? What is doctor opinion about Supreme 500? Does diabetes patient used Supreme 500? Does it 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? Have any money-back guarantee? Same-day dispatch on the order status? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Supreme 500. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link amp, know complete information about your confusion.